Hey, today I came to my pool and found that the eyeball here, where the water returns to the pool from the pump, was floating around in my pool. So we got to replace that. Had no idea how. Searched the internet, looked on YouTube. Don't see an option for this style. I see a whole bunch where they replace them with a newer version, um, but I think I got to figure it out. So here we go. All right, so there's the outlet from the pump to the pool, and I'm gonna kind of set this up here. The ball is gonna go in, and this part's gonna go on top of it with these clips facing out, and then we'll screw it in and give it a shot. Just get that recessed in so it's flush. See if I can get it tight. I don't probably want to go too tight, but let's see. All right, now I can adjust the ball. A little left, a little right. And I'll set it. There we go. That's pretty easy.